After all, what is it about cucumbers that scares cats so much? I mean, the moment you quietly place a big cucumber behind a cat, just on the ground, nothing sinister, and it suddenly notices it, its soul practically leaves its body. But why? You'll find plenty of hilarious videos of this on the internet, but please don't try this with your own cat. If it dies of shock, I'm not taking responsibility. Anyway, there are several theories. Some experts believe cats mistake cucumbers for snakes, triggering an instinctive fear response. Another theory suggests that it's just the sudden appearance of an unfamiliar object, kind of like how we freak out when someone sneaks up on us. But no one knows the real reason behind it. So, should I forcefully make it up and tell you?